everyone! It's my day off today. No vehicles to fix, and nothing to do but enjoy the sunshine at the beach. The only thing that could make this better is a delicious ice cream. Where did you get those from, Mechanicals? Vicky! Great to see you. One ice cream, please, with sprinkles and a flake. Oh no! Vicky's lost power to her ice cream churn and freezer. That means she can't stir the mixture or freeze it. It looks like a problem with Vicky's generator. The generator creates electricity to power the churn and the freezer. We need replacement parts from the garage. But by the time we get there, all her ice cream will have melted. And just look at this queue of Mechanicals waiting for ice cream. First, we need a way to churn up this ice cream mixture. Some kind of mixer. I think I've got an idea. Everyone, stop what you are doing. This is an emergency. Celia, Rick, Mechanicals, come with me. The Mechanicals are helping out, so there's no need to feel glum. They'll pump Vicky's ice cream mixture into Celia's mixing drum. Celia churns the ice cream mixture around and around and around. And now it's ready. And oh no, it's pouring on the ground! Rick, what are you doing? That's not fresh tarmac. It's supposed to be a chilly and delicious ice cream snack. Of course it isn't working right. Now I know the reason. Celia's doing the mixing, but the mixture isn't freezing. To go and find another freezer might take hours and hours. So let's all call for Super Mech with his super powers. Go, go, Super Mechanical! Wow, Super Mechanical is using his freezing ray to cool down Celia's drum. Let's try again. I can see a keen Mechanical with his cone ready and waiting. Come on, Vicky. Now Celia's serving the ice cream to that queue of Mechanicals. Let's get you back to the garage to get your generator fixed. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. The Mechanicals have all the parts to fix your generator, so you can get back to the beach and serve more ice cream later. Celia was very kind. She really loves to mix. But she should be with the construction crew. They've got a road to fix. Oh dear. Those vehicles do look grumpy. They've been waiting at the roadworks for ages. We're back. Thanks for helping Celia and Super Mechanical. Hooray. I think I'm finally going to get my ice cream. Wow! An ice cream from Celia and another one from Vicky. What a lucky gecko I am. I think I'd better share these. Thanks very much for joining us today. We'll see you again soon. Bye!